Neil Young's skill as a guitarist is a complex and debated topic. Here's what you need to know. He has a unique and distinctive style. Young's playing is known for being raw, emotional, and often unconventional. He prioritizes feeling and expression over technical prowess. This approach has earned him both praise and criticism. Some admire his originality and expressiveness. Fans of this perspective see his playing as highly effective in conveying the emotional core of his songs. They appreciate his ability to use the guitar as a tool for storytelling, even if it doesn't adhere to traditional technical standards. Others find his playing technically limited. Critics argue that his lack of technical complexity hinders his ability to create intricate solos or demonstrate virtuosity on the instrument. He's been praised by fellow musicians. Notably, Bob Dylan and Bob Geldof have spoken highly of his playing, highlighting its emotional impact. However, others, like George Harrison, have questioned his technical skills. Ultimately, whether you consider Neil Young a good guitarist depends on your definition of good. If you value technical mastery and virtuosity, you might not be impressed. However, if you appreciate musicians who use the guitar in unique and effective ways to express their emotions and tell stories, you might find his playing to be deeply impactful.